Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about how RIA money transfer refunds and cancellations work, whether your transfer didn't go through, was rejected, or you simply changed your mind. If your transfer hasn't been delivered yet, it's usually eligible for cancellation and a refund. You can request a cancellation directly through the RIA app or website. Just open your account, find the transfer you want to cancel, and if it's still pending, you'll see the option to cancel and request a refund. If the transaction can't be canceled online, you'll see a message asking you to contact customer care for assistance. In some regions, like Chile, or if you sent the money in person at a RIA location, you'll need to contact customer care directly to process your refund. Sometimes, if your transfer was rejected by RIA or the cash pickup location, you'll automatically receive an email asking whether you'd like to resend the funds or cancel and request a refund. When it comes to receiving your refund, if you paid using a bank account or card, the money will automatically return to your original payment method once the cancellation is processed. If you paid with cash, RIA will send you a refund form by email. You'll just need to fill it out, attach a voided check, and reply to the email to receive your refund via AIH. Refund times depend on your payment method and bank processing times, but RIA will notify you once your refund is on its way. And that's how easy it is to cancel a RIA transfer and get your money refunded. Make sure to double-check your transaction before sending to avoid delays. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.